Strengthening Faith 68. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the problems which are occurring in the Middle East, and how countless people are suffering. It is important for a Muslim to be observant in their daily life, and avoid being too self-absorbed in their own worldly matters, so that they become heedless over the things which are occurring around them, and the things which have already occurred. This is an important quality to possess, as it is an excellent way to strengthen one's faith, which in turn helps one to remain obedient to Allah, the Exalted, at all times. This involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. For example, when a Muslim observes a sick person, they should not only aid them by whatever means they possess, even if it is only a supplication on their behalf, but they should also reflect on their own health, and understand that they too will eventually lose their good health, either by an illness, aging, or even death. This should inspire them to be grateful for their good health, and show this through their actions by taking advantage of their good health, in both worldly and religious matters which are pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. When they observe the death of a rich person, they should not only feel sad for the deceased and their family, but realize that one day, which is unknown to them, they will die also. They should understand that just like the rich person was abandoned by their wealth, fame and family at their grave, so will they too be left to face their grave with only their deeds for company. This will encourage them to prepare for their grave and the hereafter. This attitude can and should be applied to all things one observes. A Muslim should learn a lesson from everything around them, which has been advised in the Holy Quran. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 191.
And give thought to the creation of the heavens and the earth, saying, Our Lord, you did not create this aimlessly, exalted are you above such a thing, then protect us from the punishment of the fire.
Those who behave in this manner will strengthen their faith on a daily basis, whereas those who are too self-absorbed in their worldly life will remain heedless, which will prevent them from improving their behavior towards Allah, the Exalted, and the creation.